agony of my fate.
What troubles you, ghost?
You are kind to stop on my account. 'Tis more than I deserve. But my truest love, Yarah, she pays a price which should be mine. If you would aid me, I would bid you to follow. Worshippers of the fell serpent Grissnissak have preyed upon the surface dwellers to feed their sacrificial rites since an age forgotten. And all that time, I have been here, naught but aghast, unable to stop them. But I can be of some assistance. I will grant an ingress to their temple. Gaze now upon the fields of dead, victims of the coiled cultists.
What's he talking about? What dead?
Oh, right, my bad. Okay, there's lots of gravy stones. Like a lot. Like a lot. Like,
We get it.
there's a lot.
Wait a minute. Gravestones? This used to be the bottom of the ocean. How does that make any sense?
It's called scene setting, Valentini.
Based on your arsenal, I assume you will not blanch at your task. You must slay the coiled Tizarks and retrieve the 5 pieces of Yarah's voice shattered by the dark magic.
Her voice?
They twist her angelic voice into a dark resonance which summons the fell serpent. Curse them. They befoul Yarah's memory, and in doing so, they bind her soul to this mortal plane. I will not rest until she is free. That fateful day, Yarah and I were enjoying a midday sail. She was singing me a song of such beauty that I nearly wept. But then, the sea roiled around us.
I blame you for trying. What have we here? No magic left. If I'm here, spells are up!
It was a sudden storm of scale and claw, a cabal of wicked and coiled. In a flash, they snatched my beloved from the deck, dragging her below.
A slice of me is worth 10 of the rest. Extra peanut butter this night. Mana's topped off.
I dove in pursuit without hesitation, swimming down and down, a fire of devotion in my veins. Then, just as I thought my strength would fail me, I grasped her hand.
Don't do warning shots. I've got all the magic I need. A little for me, a lot for you.
We plummeted into the blackening sea. The creatures raking me with their talons, but I did not let go. Lifeblood swirled around me, salty brine burning in my lungs, but I did not let go.
We need more calcium out here!
Hope you carry your coins. Don't feel free. Well done, my lovely. Blood, strength.
She falls, that she may rise.
Yarah was the last thing I saw as my vision faded. Her delicate face, twisted and wide-eyed in terror, wordlessly pleading, but I could not save her. I failed.
I could get used to this. Yes, just as we practiced.
The treachery of the Tizox is ended, but this tale is not. Now, place the arcane devices upon the pedestals. And prepare yourself, for only through the crucible of Grissnissak's death will Yarah's voice be mended. It comes.
Who calls me hence? You are not one of my...
Here's that slipping away.
Quickly now, retrieve Yarah's voice. Hark, her voice. It is a sweet kind of agony to hear it again. Come, this way! What agony it must have been for Yarah, to have her soul bound in darkness, her voice riven from the weave of her spirit. But we will make it right. difficulties. Can you hear it?